So in this video, I will show you the official method from Microsoft.com on how to download Microsoft Office for free on your PC. So after you open up your PC, right click, go to new and create a folder in your desktop. Rename the folder Office. After you rename your folder Office, now go to your browser. After you open your browser, go and search for Office Deployment Tool. So after you search for Office Development Tool, so it will give you this website. Right click and open the website. After you open the website, scroll to down and click on this English, select the language and download button. So after you download, now here is it now, click on this download button and open the folder. So here is it in my download folder. So now you need to cut this to your Office folder. Right click on the file you download, go to cut. So now go to your desktop, open the Office folder, right click and paste it. So now here is it now. So the next thing to do, now go to your browser again. After you go to your browser, so go to this and search for Office customization tool like this. So after you search, it will give you this website, Office customization tool / Microsoft 360. So now open the website. So now go to the website. After you open the website, so the first thing, select your bit of your PC. If you are using 32-bit, select 32-bit. If you are using 64-bit, select 64-bit. Scroll to down. So in this option, Office Suite. So now click on this. And now go ahead and select the Office you want to download. So there is Microsoft App for Business, Microsoft Enterprise, Microsoft for Business, Microsoft Professional 2024, 2014, 2019. So there is different version. So for the professional version and the latest version, choose Microsoft Office LTS Professional 2024. So this is the best version. So 2024 is the best version. So I'll select this Professional 2024. Then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, so on this option, so you need to select the apps you want to download. So there is Excel. I need the Excel. So I don't need OneDrive. I don't need Outlook. I don't need Publisher, and I don't need Access. So I need only Access, OneNote, PowerPoint, and Word. So after you choose the apps you want to download in the Microsoft Office folder, scroll to down and click on Next. Now select language, English UK or US. So scroll to down, Next. So in this option, scroll to down, go to next again, scroll to down. So in this option, turn off this option, uninstall any MSI version of Office, turn it off. After you turn it off, then scroll to down, next. So in this option, make sure you choose this KMS. So then scroll to down, next, scroll to down and finish. So after you click on the finish, now click on this export. So from this option, select this Office Open XML format, this one, then OK. So I accept. Name is configuration, export. So now it's downloading. So now click on this download option. So now here is the file. Click on the folder to open. After you open the folder, now here is the file. So now right click on the file, cut the file. So go to your desktop. So here is the folder. Open the Office folder, right click and paste. So now here is this file. So the next thing to do, now close this folder, right click on the folder and cut the folder and go to your C drive. Open this PC. So open your C drive. So now paste the folder in this option. So go to this paste. So now here is the folder. As you can see, now here is the folder now. So after we paste the folder, now here is the folder. If I open the folder like this, so here is the folder. So the next thing to do now, after you open the folder in the C drive, so now go to the folder address, this one. So here is the folder address, click on it. So I'll copy the folder address. So right click, copy, or you can just use Control C. After you copy the folder address, now go to your search and search for CMD. So now here is the CMD, right click on it and go to run as administrator. Yes. So now all you have to do now, type in CD. So after you open the CMD, so now go ahead and type in CD. After you type CD space and then paste in the address you copy, Control C. So after you paste in the address you copy by pressing Control C on your keyboard, now press enter. So the next thing to do, now go to your browser again. After you open your browser, now go and search for this deploy Office LTSE. So go and search for this deploy office LTSC. So deploy office LTSC 2024. So and enter. So after you search, it will give you this website. Here is it now. Right click and open in a new tab. So after you open the website like this, scroll to down. So it is microsoft.com. Scroll to down. Scroll to down. So if you scroll to down, so there is two options. The first command is setup slash download slash download configuration.xml. Don't copy this first command. Scroll to down and download this one. Setup space slash configure space configuration.xml. Download this one, the last one. Copy. Now go to your CMD. So and paste it. After you paste, now press enter. So after we press the enter, so it will start downloading. So because now I have the Microsoft in my computer, that's why it's not downloading. But if you don't have the Microsoft Office on your PC, after you press the enter by using this command, it will start downloading Microsoft. So after it finishes downloading your Microsoft, just go to the search. After you go to the search, just search for Word. So after you search for Word, from there you'll be able to see the Microsoft on your PC. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.